Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I've made this really cheap, quick and easy practical gift that you can make to gift to anybody. This one is obviously made to look like a shirt, but if you removed the bow, you could make it look like a dressing gown to gift to one of your female friends. The supplies we use for this are really minimal. It is 1 hand towel, 4 flannels. I have got a clear elastic band, or you could just use any elastic band or a piece of ribbon, and the favourite toiletries of the person you are gifting it to. I've just popped these on here today to show you how it can look. Let me show you how easy it is to make this gift. First thing we're going to do is make the base, so that's using a hand towel. So this is just a hand towel from Asda. We are going to fold over one edge of the hand towel and just bring that in like that. Then we're going to fold that over again, but not quite all the way, because then we need to fold over this part of the towel, and we are looking for this seam to be almost down the middle. Once the seam is almost down the centre, just going to fold over that part of the towel, just so we're making that look like the part of a shirt where you would have the buttons. Then fold over a little bit of the top part of the towel, and we are going to do the same with the bottom, because we want it to start to resemble a folded up shirt. So then it should end up looking like that. Now set that aside. Taking one of the flannels, my flannels are obviously a totally different colour to the towel, but if I was making this as a gift, I would probably use coordinating colours so that it all matched. Take the flannel and we're going to fold it in half, then we're going to fold it into thirds, and this is going to form the pocket. And as we can see now, it does make us like a little pocket, and then we're just going to position that onto the front of the towel like so. To make the collar, I've just got 2 different flannels now, and we're going to again fold these into thirds like that, and then we're going to fold that one into thirds as well. Then I'm just going to fold them over like that, because I want it just to be that little bit longer, because this is going to make the collar part. Then we're just going to place them onto our hand towel like that, and they are then going to make it look like it has a collar. If you was doing this for a lady, I think if it was all like a pretty creamy colour or a pinky colour, it could almost look like a dressing gown if you didn't do the bow part to go on. And then finally, to make the bow, I'm going to take another flannel and I'm just going to fold it over a little bit at either end like that. Then again, I'm just going to fold it into thirds. Then taking my elastic band, I've just got a clear elastic band, I am just going to pinch it in the middle and put the elastic band around it. You can now add some ribbon, or you could add a better elastic band, even a hair bubble if you wanted to make it look pretty. And that is going to make our bow that is going to sit on the front of our towel to make it look like a dicky bow on a shirt. Now you've got the basics of it, you can have a play about and you can make that a bit further up if you wanted to, for however you want it to look for your gift. I've just got some generic toiletries that we have at home, but if you was gifting this now to somebody, I would be tempted to use their favourite toiletries, because that will just make it extra super special. And there you have a really practical gift that I think you can create easily for under £10. If I was to package this up, I may be tempted to put it in a gift box to keep it flat and to try and keep it in situ, or you could use little safety pins to pin it down and hold it together, and maybe if you had some really pretty cellophane wrap, that would look stunning as well. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make this really cute, quick and easy gift that you can give to anybody in your life at any time of the year. Thank you so much for watching. See you all again soon.